So now the power from one people has been distributed to several people, but there was no change in situation, or we can say there was no progress in the state. The legislature, executive, and judiciary. This made a France constitutional monarchy. There was no progress. I told you. Constitution 1791 vested means given the power to make a law in National Assembly, which was directly elected, indirectly elected, not directly. It was elected indirectly. That is, citizens voted for a group of electors, not to the person. Group of electors who turn to choose assembly. Now, not all the citizens, however, had a right to vote. Who has right to vote? Listen it very careful. Only men above 25 years of age who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of labor wage were given the status of active citizens. That is, they were entitled to vote. The remaining men and women were classed as a passive. Passive means not non-active. To qualify an elector and then a member of assembly, the man had to belong to the highest bracket of taxpayer. Means he should be a too much. He should be falling in a such category that he is the highest taxpayer. He can stand in election, not a voting. He can stand in election. He or she. The constitution began with the declaration of right of man and citizen. Rights such as right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before the law was established, a natural and inalienable right. These are already in our constitution right now, if you can recall it. That is, they belong to each human being by birth and could not be taken away. Means these are the human rights, as you know that. It was the duty of the state to protect each citizen's right. Now there were symbols, and on we can say page number 12, there was a broken chain, a bundle of robes, spectre means a snake biting in a tail, that you will able to get from the PDF of the NCERT book. That has a different meaning. A red Phrygian cap, blue, white, red, a lady, a winged woman, a law tablet. That you can read from the textbook, because the meaning is being given beside the picture. So now the new topic is when France abolished the monarchy and become a republic. So first the constitution was arised, but the problem was not solved. Now the new era has came, where the France people is abolishing monarchy and becoming a republic. Now this is very important. The situation in France continued to be tense during the following year. Although Louis XVI had signed the constitution, he entered into a secret negotiation with the king of Prussia, means a neighboring country. The ruler of another neighboring country too were worried by the development in France and made plans to send troops to put down the events that had been taken place there since summer 1789. Means the king of France has a word with the king of Prussia, means a neighboring country, that with your army you come to our country, attack France, capture the France once again from this third estate, and he has a conspiracy towards his own people. Means he has a communication with the Prussia that come with your army, loot our people. Loot is the English word, and destroy everyone, and I will give you my part of some France part. So this was a conspiracy. King was playing conspiracy against their own country, against their own citizen, who were hardworking and was working for the development of masses, not for individual. Now before this could happen, a National Assembly voted in April 1790 to declare war against Prussia and Austria, because the people came to know that our king is making conspiracy against their own kingdom. The thousands of volunteers thrown from the province to join army, they saw this as a war of people against king, not as against of country, against king, and atrocities all over Europe. Means atrocities.